Hello YouTube, today you're back to your favorite little garage working on your new project right here for the Wagoneer. Now this is an ultra budget friendly build, so if you want to keep your budget down, you're willing to reuse certain stuff like this, and this is a metal can that we were using inside. I cleaned it up with some acetone, I scrubbed it down to make sure it was all nice and clean for mixing up paint. It's going to be perfect for catching all the paint and be big enough to put on the scale to make sure I got an accurate mix to blend it back to the original color that I made up. Now I got 3 gallons of single stage. All of them are made by the same manufacturer and they're all part of the same product line. I've been experimenting with trying to make certain custom colors. This allows me to do it on a budget. I had a little bit of extra paint left over from a few projects, and I was actually willing to play around to make this color I needed. And then I ran back to the store, picked up another gallon or two so that I could finish up this car. Now this will be a perfect gloss level for this build. I'm aiming for a farm truck level and bodywork level, but giving it a little bit more of a gloss finish to make it a little bit more modern, but still keep it sort of period correct with just a little bit pinch more clarity. Right now, the color that we chose is something that's really close to a shade of paint from another manufacturer, although we did change it just a little bit, and that's why I'm proud to say this is a custom color that you can't get even from Sherwin-Williams unless you bring it in and get it paint matched, but that's a different story. Now remember to like and subscribe to me. I am still building up my channel and working hard and diligently. All these cars are built with love and care, and I always like to show anything that I can to help you guys get through your own projects and keep your budget down and still achieve some really good results. And this is one of those ways that I have found to keep the paint budget down a little bit lower and still get the same sort of paint results that you're looking for. Now, this is before I sprayed on the first coat, which you can see in my previous video, which you can get a little bit of a preview of what this Wagoneer is going to be looking like once it's done. And if you're interested in purchasing this numbers matching Wagoneer, message me. We're also going to be doing a custom little spin on this besides just the color, so stay tuned. I know you guys will love it. And if you're interested, remember to leave a comment below with your email or even email me in my profile. You can find my email there and we can get it all situated from there. And then maybe if you're interested in building a certain specific vehicle, maybe we can help you out with that too. We're always up to maybe helping out a person with the right energy, of course. Thanks again for staying tuned. And I'm going to show you right here. This is what I mixed up, and I'm going to sprinkle a little bit back on the lid right here. As you can see, I put it right in the center, the new mix versus the old mix that was on the corner of the lid, and it's perfect. And that's because I weighed it out.